How are you? Did you study the previous topic? The characteristics of living beings. We are familiar with feeding and breathing. Now let's look into the third feature. What is that? That is throwing out waste. When we cook food, we produces a lot of waste like vegetable peels and used tea leaves. We have to clean out all these waste from the kitchen every day. Similarly, the body of a living being produces waste while making use of food. Do you know how we get rid of waste from our body? We get rid of waste from our body in three forms. In the form of urine, stool and sweat. Like us, other animals also throw out waste from their body. Not only animals but plants also throw out waste. Do you know how they do this? We have already studied there are small pores or holes on the surface of the leaves and carbon dioxide enters the plant through these pores. Do you remember? We discussed about it in the topic feeding. You must study and revise the portion every day to get along with me. Plants throw out gases through the pores on holes on their leaves. Which gases? We know plants make food using carbon dioxide and throw out oxygen. All living beings breathe. Plants also breathe. They breathe out carbon dioxide. These gases, namely carbon dioxide and oxygen, thrown out through pores on the surface of the leaves. They store the rest of the waste in special parts of their body. Some are poisonous, while others are very useful. Let's take an example. Tea plants. They store a waste which gives tea its flavor, and this waste stored in their leaves. Similarly, coffee plants also store a waste. In the case of coffee plants, they store it in their seeds. Rubber is also a plant waste. It is stored in the trunks of the rubber trees. But non-living things do not throw out waste. Let's say it again. All living beings throw out waste. Human beings get rid of waste from their body in the form of urine, stool and sweat. Plants get rid of gases through pores on their leaves. The rest of the waste they store in special parts of their body. Some are poisonous, but others are very useful. Tea plants, coffee plants and rubber trees are some plants which store useful plant waste. Non-living things do not throw out waste. I hope you understood the topic. Have a nice day. Thank you.